This is what, days 8 or 9 of our open house for the building that is behind me, the Harare Zimbabwe Temple of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. And as you can see, it's a busy day. We have got members of the church and friends from Bulawayo. We are anticipating some from Mutare. We have got some from Marondera. The whole country is coming. Yesterday, on day 7, we had about 2,000 people who came to visit. We're expecting to top that comfortably today. I expect we'll be around 3,000, maybe 4,000 people who are going to come today. There's a lot of excitement around this building, and you can see the energy that is generated. This is only the 3rd building of its kind in Southern Africa. Before this, we had 1 temple in the whole region, and that was in Johannesburg. A second one was dedicated about 5 years ago in Durban. This is the 3rd one in the region. And in the whole of Africa, there are only 8. This is the 8th one.
We are from Southern California. We are here on a humanitarian mission for the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, and we are under the umbrella of the Zimbabwe Harare mission. This is a wonderful, wonderful step for the church. Our temples are to unify families and to seal them together for time and all eternity. So as we preach the gospel in this area, we can explain to them, you can go into the temple and you can be sealed to your families for all eternity. It's a huge blessing. But the temple gives them an anchor. It gives the church an anchor here.
I'm the Ushers Committee Chair. Basically, I'm the one responsible of all the ushering that is taking place here. What we did is we communicated with mostly church units within Harare, and we asked them for volunteers. So all these people coming to usher here, they're church members volunteering their time. And I think the entire reason of this tour is to bring the church out of obscurity so that people, they don't assume what's inside, but they can actually come and see for themselves.
I come from Bulawayo. For the past years, we've been going as far as South Africa to visit the temple. Me, I first went to South Korea to visit the temple. So now that we have been privileged and blessed with this wonderful house of the Lord, it is going to be much easier because it has given me the chance of even coming with my family, my friends. I've invited them who are here, who are here in Harare, who are not even members of the church. This is going to also be a tourist destination because people will be coming as far as Mozambique, as far as Malawi, Zambia. There are no temple, to come and visit the temple in Zimbabwe.
We came today from Bindura. It's so amazing to visit the house of the Lord. We have been waiting for this time to come. It's a moment for me, to feel peace and joy inside the temple.
The church has 3 worship centers. We're a home-centered, church-supported faith. So you start at home, then you have a chapel where you do your Sunday services and things like that, and you do your basic learning, and then we have the temple. Your home and the chapel are preparing people to worship in the temple. And so for Latter-day Saints, to have a temple in the country is a very exciting and energizing thing because it's so spiritually important and significant for us.